Hi everybody. My name is Christine. Welcome to Nutrition Facts. In this video, you will learn how to improve your health in 10 easy ways. Let's get started. Many of us make health-related resolutions, such as to lose weight, stop smoking, or join the neighborhood health club. While it is common to set high goals, experts say that setting smaller goals could do more for our health. The best approach to improve your health is by making tiny adjustments that you stick to. In time, you can include brand new changes and build on the old ones. By concentrating on a couple of spots at a time, you can slowly improve your health. It's all about options, and a little effort, combined with a strong decision, to take much better care of yourself. And if you have not observed yet, you will require to make that choice sooner or later. So, try incorporating the following 10 strategies into your daily routine, because they can add up to a big positive effect on your overall health. 1. Stop gaining weight. Even if you gain just a pound or two every year, the extra weight adds up quickly. 2. Take more small steps. Use a pedometer to count your daily steps, then add 2,000, the equivalent of 1 extra mile. Keep adding steps, 1,000 to 2,000 each month or so, until you take 10,000 steps on most days. 3. Eat breakfast. Breakfast eaters tend to weigh less and have better diets, overall. 4. Switch 3 grain servings each day to whole grain. If you're like the average American, you eat less than 1 full grain servings a day. 5. Have at least 1 green salad every day. Eating a salad, with low fat or fat-free dressing, is filling, and may help you eat less during the meal. It also counts toward your 5 daily cups of vegetables and fruits. 6. Trim the fat. Fat has a lot of calories, and calories count. Purchase lean meats, eat poultry without the skin, switch to lower fat cheeses, use a non-stick pan with only a dab of oil or butter. 7. Consider calcium by including 2 or 3 daily servings of low-fat or fat-free milk or yogurt. Dairy calcium is good for bones and may also help you lose weight. 8. Downsize the quantity. The smaller the bag, bottle, or bowl, the less you will eat. 9. Lose just 5 to 10% of your current weight. The health benefits are huge: lower blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglycerides. 10. Keep track of your eating. Write down what you eat over the next couple of days and look for problem spots. Often, just writing things down can help you eat less. A couple of basic actions can go a long way towards improving your diet plan and health. Still, if you're striving to live a healthier life, do not merely concentrate on the foods you consume. Workout, sleep, and social relationships are likewise crucial. With the tips above, it's simple to make your body feeling excellent every day. Are you enjoying the video? Hit like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment to let us know which part of the video was the most helpful for you. See you in the next video.